see that the lineup of the Philippine team with Jumar as the center slot, he gets the first toss. Iran, we watched yesterday, they were waylaid by Senegal in the second quarter, but they did come back with a fiery rally in the fourth and the first three-point shot conversion. Dwight Ramos. But we have a lot of scorers here. Obviously, when a team can get its outside shot going, it makes it so much easier. Also, a three-point shot in retaliation. Net to go up. And they should have fixed it. Even in the pros, you can see that he missed both, but he does get the rebound.
Also the second three-point make of Iran in this game.
That's right. And they quickly double against Junmar. That's an open shot there. Yes! Yes. He got 8 points already in the ball game.
The score is 13-12.
Yeah, it's 13-12.
1-point lead for Gilas. Pass to the corner, three-point shot. Fajardo does not get to it. Second is a miss, but they get the ball back. Talking about Gilas, Pilipinas, courtesy of Japet. Good pass, AJ. One hander is good. Could have been fouled as well.
Yeah.
Coach Tim Cone is impressed with the potential, with the talent, and of course, after that decisive as AJ works from the outside.
AJ, Edo. AJs are always good, man. That's my initials.
Dr. J, it's great to see him shooting with this kind of confidence. Meanwhile, a counter, Azari with a nice pocket pass.
Again, it's a pass.
Yep. It's always kicking out, always looking for that outside shot. Basketball, another three-point shot is made this time by Ali Reza Sharifi. Will up for the final shot here in the first quarter.
And Iran has no fouls to give, no.
Our Pugoy with that familiar slow
yes.
One-hander is money. After the first quarter of action, it is 23-21. A 2-point lead for Iran against Gilas, Pilipinas. David Aguilar, a miss from the outside. Look at the hops of Renz Abando taking that rebound. Sends it to the corner and takes the three. That is good.
I mean, he got the rebound there. He went to his spot and Kiefer found him and he makes his first attempt.
Ravenna still playing point. Now Japet has it. Aguilar waiting for movement. Ravenna up top using the ball screen. Good roll. Japet. Tremendous playmaking so far for the Filipino point guard, 26-23. Oh, but he missed that man, and that's the result. Ravenna with the basketball once again, 8 seconds to work with. Step back jumper, keeper, no good. Pugoy with a rebound, and Pugoy puts it back home. Iran back on their three-point shooting earlier. As CJ kicks it to Pugoy, fakes. Pugoy, one-hander, another one. Using the ball screen. Gilas doing a decent job of switching back. AJ Edo defending down low, but he could not stop that basket being completed by Salah.
Good. Oh, another interception there, but the good transition. Oh!
Renz Abando erasing that shot.
Now you got two small guys there that can really block shots. Abando and Teddy Ravenna.
Check in for the first time, so all members of Gilas will see action in this match. Solid drive there. CJ has it now using the ball screen. Ooh, might have been a foul there.
Good fake, good pass. One more time.
Three-point shot.
Yeah!
Counter attack for Iran. That is a good strong drive coming from this shot.
By the way, Malonzo is back. He has an open shot and he makes it. The two-point shot. inserted Pugoy as part of the starting five, the only change. And he goes strong to the hoop, scores, and run.
Our Pugoy off to a good start. 8 points now in the matchup. Looking behind. Tabirzan comes up empty on that fast break attack. Counter fast break run. Dwight Ramos. Takes it up and in. Been a 3-second violation there versus Iran. Big layup is gone with the foul. But still trying to get himself into a groove here. Got that pull-up jumper. By Maliit.
Good block.
Abando, forward pass. Here we go. Abando will sky.
Pantos, 2 defensive stops with a block, and this one is slams it home.
Recover. Supposed to reset the play. Our boy. Good pass. Fajardo finally scores.
Finally, Mark getting a field goal here.
But you also understand why Coach Tot Reyes wants to play him a lot of minutes. Because
You know, he knows him. Yeah?
Yep, he needs
Oh!
him to get back into shape as Fajardo converts on that mid-range look. Iran taken away though by Abando, and now they're rushing down court. Junmar.
Good scene.
Tinalo to Edu.
Yes!
Oh my God. So we were wondering what kind of chemistry AJ Edu will have with Junmar Fajardo, and that is certainly a step in the right direction. AJ Edu with 7 points in this match. That will be an N1. Still an 8-point lead for Gilas. Asari goes between the legs on the snatch back. Gorgeous shot coming from Irania.
6-0 run. 52-46.
DJ on the drive. One-hander.
Finally.
Finally it falls. Edu stealing early, but they could not deliver him the basketball. CJ finishes with the left.
Oh, once that first shot went in, you know, now we can use the clock a little bit. No? There's a difference of about 8 seconds.
CJ one-on-one.
Oh.
From downtown, and he sinks it. 59-46, 13 points. Gilas Pilipinas lead.
That's using your brains a little bit there. Don't force a shot. Use the shot clock. You get a better shot. Open shot now.
Tough
Yes!
for Nana, but it's good for 3. One of Senegal. Senegal is preparing for the pre-Olympic qualifying tournament as Japet gets a friendly bounce. In this possession, only 4 to shoot here. As Sparks takes the ball away. Ray on the move. Layup is good with a foul.
That was a bad foul there by the way. You know, Bobby Ray Parks had a clear area already. Another steal
This
here.
time by 30. Forward pass of Tana. Goes to the other side and hits the basket with a foul.
Let them shoot from the outside.
That shot.
And he made it.
Good. Japet might have been fouled there. But a stop completed by Iran. Still on the mend is Scotty Thompson.
Oh,
That's a tough screen there. And it leads to an opening for the heading. What's key to regaining the gold medal. 3-point shot way downtown. Oftana, good pass to Japet. Aguilar. Back to Oftana. Open momentarily for 3 and he sends it home. Senegal did a great job versus Iran yesterday, winning by 10 points. Turnover leading to a fast break attack for Iran.
probably also realizing who are the players we can use and who we cannot at the moment.
Oftana could not keep up there as Yazaplo converts on the layup. And there's a switch on D. Newsom with the speed advantage. He swings it over to 30. Back to Newsom up top with a drive.
Nice
Good
pass.
Edo with a two-handed throwdown.
And the crowd loved that. They wanted to see somebody dunk the ball, you know.
So 76-65 will be the final score in this matchup.